between throws so that I don't get hurt in thinking of you here. Okay.
You want to take the ball? Okay, so drop it. Oh, she dropped it for you. Oh, you want to take the ball? Just throw it. Going fast. Bonk.
I'm going down the hallway.
You're going down the hallway. Good job.